Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom, there lived a kind and brave princess named Lily. She loved to explore the enchanted forest near her castle, where all sorts of magical creatures lived. But there was one creature that always caught her attention, a mysterious, magical black cat named Midnight. Midnight wasn't like any other cat. With soft, shiny fur as dark as the night sky and glowing eyes that sparkled like stars, Midnight had the power to do amazing things. The princess had met him one day while exploring the forest, and ever since, the two had become the best of friends. One sunny afternoon, Princess Lily was strolling through the forest when she heard a soft meow. She turned around and saw Midnight sitting on a branch, watching her with his glowing eyes. "Hello, Midnight," the princess called, waving. The black cat jumped down lightly and landed beside her. "Hello, Princess Lily. I've been waiting for you," Midnight purred. "What's the matter?" Princess Lily asked. "You look like you have something important to tell me." Midnight's tail flicked as he looked at her with his wise, glowing eyes. "There's a problem in the kingdom," he said in a soft, magical voice. "A dark cloud has appeared in the sky, and it's blocking the sunlight. The crops are withering, and the people are worried. Only someone with a brave heart and a bit of magic can help." Princess Lily's eyes widened. "What can we do to help, Midnight?" The magical black cat stood up and twitched his tail. "Follow me, Princess. I'll guide you." They ventured deep into the heart of the enchanted forest, where Midnight led Lily to a hidden valley surrounded by tall trees. In the center of the valley was a sparkling crystal, and around it swirled the dark cloud that had been blocking the sun. "Midnight, can you make the cloud go away?" the princess asked. Midnight sat down in front of the crystal and closed his eyes. He whispered something in a language only magic could understand, and the crystal began to glow brightly. As the light spread out from the crystal, the dark cloud began to shrink and dissolve, slowly revealing the bright blue sky and the shining sun. The forest around them came alive with colors as flowers bloomed, and the trees seemed to sway in joy. Princess Lily smiled and clapped her hands. "We did it, Midnight!" The black cat gave a small, satisfied purr. "It was your bravery and kindness that helped, Princess. Remember, true magic comes from the heart." As the sun shone brightly again over the kingdom, the princess and the magical black cat returned to the castle. The people cheered, knowing the darkness had been lifted, and everything was peaceful once more. Princess Lily looked at Midnight and smiled. "Thank you for being my friend and guiding me, Midnight. You truly are a magical cat." Midnight blinked his glowing eyes and gave her a gentle nudge. "You are the true magic, Princess." Thanks for watching Princess and the Magical Black Cat on Ritzy Lucy channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more enchanting stories, magical creatures, and fairy tale adventures.